What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Young Jay, and I'm back with another video for you guys. Today, I'm gonna be showing you how I changed my toolbox, a little small toolbox to a mini tackle box. And this is all I got here now. There's some swim baits, all that. So I'm gonna show you what I have in here. I have some hooks, some weight hooks, I think they are. Yeah, weight hooks, ball head weight hooks, ball head weight hooks. Then I don't have idea what it is, but I just have my tackle box. I have this little, I think it's a grub, small tail grub. I lost mostly all of mine when I was going fishing. I have some white swim bait. I have some green sparkle swim bait, excuse me there. I have a Gerber knife. Yeah. I have some fish head hooks. You can get it from Walmart. Mostly all this from Walmart. I have some ball head. Some jig head hooks here. I have some eagle claw hooks right here. I have some more eagle claw hooks. They're just different kind. Like I have some real small hooks, like for little small sunfish or something. And that's it, guys. This is the video. Hope you guys like it. Please like, subscribe, and I'm out, YouTube. Peace.